Welcome to our next video. You will discover how to construct your own rustic farmhouse vintage kitchen design ideas today, which is the ideal fusion of practical design and organic beauty. This design provides a classic, welcoming atmosphere that is perfect for relaxing after a long day or just improving your outside area. Watch closely as we walk you through each stage of creating the garden of your dreams. Let's be honest, it can be intimidating to come up with a rustic farmhouse antique kitchen design that embodies the rustic beauty of vintage kitchen design ideas. Asterisk, what plants complement this style the best, you ask? How can I design a layout that is both useful and aesthetically pleasing? And what characteristics really highlight that cozy, welcoming ambience? Many people find it difficult to strike a balance between low-maintenance usefulness and aesthetic attractiveness, particularly when dealing with constrained space or a harsh climate. Don't worry, though. You can easily incorporate farmhouse vintage kitchen design ideas into your property with the correct advice. Let's examine some gorgeous instances of antique kitchen design ideas that are rustic in farmhouse. Take note of the contrast between the clean terracotta tiles, the rough stone walls, and the lush foliage that overflows the walkways. Observe how lighting, such as string lights or soft lanterns, provides a magical ambience for outdoor evenings.